I don't know about you, but now more than ever, I have been in need of a picking me up. We have all been stuck at home, feeling unmotivated, anxious, bored, and many other emotions. Today is all about you. This is what I do for self care. Be kind to yourself. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. It helps me out a lot. Welcome to my pamper routine. My favorite way to relax is to take a bath, so I start my day with nice warm bath. First thing I always do is light a candle. I love my bath smells really good. Then I like to go YouTube music or my favorite current playlist. First step, of course, shampoo. I'm using Tresemme Keratin shampoo. I really love this shampoo. Now I go in Tresemme conditioner. I know some people don't like to apply conditioner every time they wash their hairs, but I cannot skip this step. Trust me guys, I love to do a conditioning. After that, I'm using the face wash by Derma, which I'm falling in love with recently, and this face wash does not leave your skin dry, tight or itchy. It's perfect for all skin types. Move on to body wash. I'm using Pierce. This stuff is amazing guys. It's feel amazing, it smell amazing. It's also really good for the shaving as well. So as you can see, I'm shaving my hands, I'm shaving my arms, my legs. So that's it for my shower routine. So after shower, I'm using aloe vera gel because the next step is shaving my face. So मैं aloe vera gel यूज़ कर रही हूँ और ये काया का ब्रांड का एलोवेरा जेल यूज़ कर रही हूँ और ये मेरा थर्ड बोतल है. एंड वाई आई रियली लव दिस एलोवेरा जेल बिकॉज इसमें किसी भी तरीके का एडेड कलर नहीं है और ये इसका कंसिस्टेंसी भी बहुत अच्छा है. इसे लगाने के बाद इट्स लाइक नेचुरल एलोवेरा जेल. इसमें से स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छा आता है. सो आई एम जस्ट अप्लाइंग इट ऑल ओवर माई फेस एंड मसाजिंग सो दैट ये मेरी स्किन में अच्छे से एब्जॉर्ब हो जाए. और मैं कभी कभी इट्स डिपेंड, मैं रेज़र यूज़ करने से पहले भी इसे यूज़ करती हूँ और बाद में भी यूज़ करती हूँ. सो इट्स डिपेंड एक्चुअली. So now I'm just massaging it, and after that I'm using this razor, and this razor is by Nykaa. I'm pulling my skin tight so that I can work this through, and I'm just using this blade on 45-degree angle and move it downward. So why I prefer this more than traditional threading method? Because I used to get threading done, I used to get really small bumping around my forehead and I used to get a lot of pimple. So मुझे नहीं पता था कि मैं क्या करूं, but I have not faced any problem जब से मैंने इसे यूज़ करना शुरू किया है, अपने फेस को शेविंग करना शुरू किया है. इट्स लाइक आई एम ब्लेस्ड विद दिस शेविंग. सो आई रियली लाइक टू डू. आफ्टर दैट आई एम यूजिंग दिस टूल. इट्स अ ब्लैक हेड टूल टू रिमूव ऑल योर ब्लैक हेड्स. और मैं इसे सच में इसलिए यूज़ करती हूँ क्योंकि इसे यूज़ करने के बाद योर स्किन लुक्स so breathable, and of course we should get rid from this black and white hairs. So now I am feeling so good. So the next step is to apply our lip scrub. This is a DIY scrub actually. Cinnamon, sugar and olive oil. So these are the 3 ingredients which I'm using right now, and I'm just scrubbing it all over my lips. So now I'm just decided to take a mask. So I'm just using this clay mask. And masks are fun to put on. They help your skin so much. As per this mask, this has black clay in it, which is very rich in mineral and silica. It claims to help brighten facial complexion. It also helps liquid as extract, which also helps to lighten facial complexion. So yeah, all over, it just helps your skin to be clean and fresh. So I really like to apply a clay mask or the fruit mask. So these are like my all-time favorite masks. So after using this, I feel very fresh. So now I'm using this body lotion, and guys, literally I'm freaking obsessed with this body lotion, I say. And I will also link it in our description so that you can check. Now I'm using this roll on under my armpits, and this is a bio oil dry gel. It's freaking amazing. Instant glow देता है इसे लगाने से. Actually I really love to apply this. And now it's under eye cream I'm applying. It is so good. After that I'm using lash and eyebrow serum. Actually इसे मैंने ऑनलाइन परचेज़ किया था और इसको लगाने के बाद मेरा eyelashes बहुत थिक हुआ है. आईब्रो में तो मुझे नहीं ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट लगा, बट येस आई कैन सी अ रिजल्ट इन माई लैशेस. सो अभी मुझे 1 month हुआ है. लेट मी चेक. After 1 month I can give my review on this also. If you guys want to know, let me know in a comment box. I'm also decided to have some sunscreen all over my face. So I never skip this step. I always use a sunscreen because it's help you and it's protect you from harmful UV rays. After that I'm using this Nivea hand cream, and yes, I'm just dancing here. Of course, it makes your hands so soft and smooth, and especially in winters, I cannot live without this hand cream. I really like to have a soft and smooth hands. Last but not least, I'm using this Nivea Serial Kisser lip balm. It's not my favorite, but I love this lip balm also. So that's it for my routine. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys, love you.